Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna be doing it on this canvas. So I wanted to show you the starfish I did last week. As you can see, I have started varnishing, and I'm gonna varnish it until it really looks like a sort of a resin cover. And right now it's almost there. I think 2 or 3 more and everything will be covered. I want to do that because I want to have a complete layer of varnish over all this glitter stuff. As you can see there, it's so pretty. Really looks nice. So that's what I'm working on. And I'm working on another, but that I'll have to keep for a next video. Now tomorrow is going to be even warmer here in Holland, and the thing is, guys, I don't think I'll be doing any pouring tomorrow. Oops, water on my... I want water on my canvas. But the thing is that I just might be doing shibori tomorrow, so that's because it's really nice weather. I think that'll work. And I'm not going to do it with acrylic paint, but I had to have some dye that I'm going to use, so I bought some fabric. I've started to stitch it for a pattern, so that's going to be cool. We're going to have some fun with that. Oh no, I don't have my open cup. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I'll need 3 of these open cups. So no matter what you use, all you have to do is cut out the bottom and it'll work. Because all cups come with, you know, a nice flat rim, so that'll work. You have to keep this intact, this bit here, because it has to be totally flat so that it can lie on the canvas. So we have 3. I'm gonna take them out like that, put them nice in the middle there, maybe each a little bitty more towards the center, so that this one can spread out like that, and that one that way, that one that way. And I'm not going to paint the canvas, I'll just see what happens. Now, I was going to do a lot of those pendants. I promised that last weekend, but thing is, yesterday we had I forgot all about it. We had a thing from work, and yeah, I'm sure you would have really laughed. We went to this place and they rent out these little bikes. You don't have them. This is typical Dutch. It's like from 30 years ago. It's a bike, but it has a little motor on the front wheel. So what you have to do is you have to really, you know, go fast with the bicycle, and then you let go of a little lever, and then the thing starts to do its thing and makes a lot of noise because it's, you know, gasoline motor thingy. And we went on a really short trip on those things. We lost one person along the way. They almost lost me because my bike was really slow, but then someone from the company where we rented them, they you know, I don't know, I think they always do that to see if everything's okay. So we switched bikes, and then I had a faster one. But we went to this awesome watermill, and I have pictures. So if you want to see them, at the end of this video, there are pictures of the watermill. Specially made for you guys, because I thought you'd get a kick out of it. Okay, it's time to put in some color. First off, I'm going to start with the same background color, but this has silicone in it. Then of course our lovely turquoise. Don't want to drop any. Oh yes, there's a little drop. I thought that would happen because these little cups are a little bit static, so they sort of, I don't know how that happens, but they are static. I can see when I pour it in, the stream goes sideways. Okay, that's enough of that color. Then we're going to put in the brown. Yep. And then the lighter color, turquoise. I think that's enough. We have the browns, we have that color. Maybe we can top it off with a little bit of this. That might help. Not too much. Okay. A little bit more of the paint around it. Make a nice figure 8. Because I think I won't have enough. Okay. So this one I was going to do like this. Ew, don't like that. And this one I was going to pull down there. Don't like that. We're going to have to do some moving with this. Okay. Let it run down here. Run up here. And now we're going to see what we got. This is kind of different. This is really different, but I think there's too much dark brown in it. Although the bits where I didn't like it, they're gone. This is different. And on the monitor it's darker than it is in real life, but I'm going to I'll have to just, you know, fix this because I'm not going to tilt it anymore. That's going nicely. Whoa, look at that. That is really nice. Down here, guys. There. That's really nice. That is really different. Oops. Not too much. And this I don't like, but I think it'll sort of come down off the canvas. Ooh. There you go. I gotta be really careful with this. There's a little air bubbles. Gotta get rid of those. Ew. Now what you're seeing here is because I didn't paint the canvas, now I have to do all sorts of stuff that I can make this work. Now if you do the canvas first with a nice full layer of background color, you will not have to do this. So that is, now you can see why it's important to do this on forehand. This is going to go totally flat, that is no problem. But this where it goes over the side, I would have liked to keep that, and now I can't because I have to you know, make sure that the canvas is colored. You can't leave a canvas bare because what you're seeing is gesso, and that is going to be going yellow within no time. So you don't want to leave any canvas exposed. It's not the way you should do it. I know I've had some people say, oh, I don't care, I do that. Yeah, well, all right, you can do that, no problem. Do whatever you want, but people that know their business will not do that because they know gesso, you know, it's gesso. It's made to paint over, so it's gonna turn yellow within months. How do I know? Because I've done that before. Yeah, I've been like that, thinking, what are you talking about? I know this better than you do. Let me just try this, and then it went all to you know the word. Okay. But guys, if you have the choice, please just do the canvas on forehand because it just makes for a better pour. Okay, you've seen it now spread out a lot, especially this bit here, which I totally love. This, not so fond of. So if you have that, you can, right now you still have the possibility to change it. So I'm gonna get rid of those few bubbles because I really like this pour. This is beautiful. But this we don't like. So what we're gonna do is cut it off from here and take it off. And you have to do that in a sort of a quick motion. See that? Now the paint sort of pulls together and it's gone. But this is exactly how I like stuff. That wild stuff going on, that it does its own thing. This is a beautiful pour. I'm gonna keep it. I like this little bit there. I love that bit there. There are many parts that I love. I won't, you know, bore you to death with what I love, which I always do. Oh, there's hair in my paint. I just want to fill in the bit where I stuck my finger on it. And down there, I suppose, there's a little bit where I put my finger. Okay, we're ready. Okay guys, so if you want to see the watermill, it's at the end of this video in a second. And I want to thank you all for watching. Tomorrow we're going to do some shibori. And it's going to be a lot of fun, I'm pretty sure. And I have a lot of paint. I think I'll do one more video where I'm going to use up the paint that I have left. You know, make those pendant things, the squishes. Yeah, I'll do that. Be right back later.